Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen for another edition of Tank Top Cooking Trailer Style. Okay man, here's a couple things you're gonna need for this one. Grab yourself a steak, oh yeah, steak, some bread, some parkay, margarine, butter, whatever you want man. Okay, right on, grab yourself some cheese. Use ain't cheese, but you know what? I'm going with mozzarella man, right on. Good stuff. And some eggs. Oh yeah. Get some margarine in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, crack that egg. Toss that in there. Boom. Okay man, grab that butter that we're working on there. Oh, just butter up your bread. Oh yeah. Okay, right on. Grab that steak and just, oh yeah. Cut it up into strips. Kind of like that, man. Right on. Get your cheese, man. Oh yeah, just cut up some strips of cheese. Oh yeah, look at that cheese and steak and onions and mushrooms and an egg, some cheese. Throw your cheese on. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, man, and then just kind of pay attention to it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. We got steak, cheese, bread, an egg. Oh yeah. Alright, for the moment of truth, the edibility factor. Oh my god. Man, this is awesome. I'm telling you, you guys thinking grilled cheese sandwich? Try this. Great way to lose up your leftovers. Man, this is good. I know, pretty lame, but hey man, give it a try. Hey man, don't have a tank top. We'll call it Tank Topless Edition, man. Right on. Hey, you guys. Hey man, thanks a lot for coming out and checking out the on the road edition grilled cheese sandwich, steak, eggs. Oh yeah, right on. You guys be cool. You know how it goes. Once, twice, 3 times a week, 4 times. I don't know, man. You right on. That's why you hit that notification bell, subscribe, and smash big thumbs up. And if not, hey man, we always get better. Keep calm. Be cool. Till next time.